Good day, sir. My name is Jimar G. Masasesa. I will discuss about records and security and protection in the Philippines law enforcement. The security and protection of records in law enforcement agencies in the Philippines are crucial in maintaining the integrity of justice and the safety of sensitive information. Records in this context include case files, criminal records, personal files, and investigative reports, all of which require strict safeguarding to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and accessibility. The Philippines National Police, as the primary law enforcement agency, implements policies under the Data Privacy Act of 2012, Republic Act No. 10173. This law mandates the protection of personal and sensitive information against unauthorized access, breaches, and misuse. Properly handling this record ensures the trust of the public and prevents compromise in operations or individual privacy. These key measures employed include secure storage facilities, both physical and digital. Mm, physical re- Physical records are often kept in secured, often with limited access, while digital files are protected by encryption, firewalls, and access controls. Periodic audits and compliance checks are conducted to ensure adherence to established protocols. Moreover, law enforcement agencies must strike a balance between transparency and security. For example, while the public has the right to access certain records under the Freedom of Information Act, Executive Order No. 2 Series of 2016, access to sensitive records is strictly regulated to prevent jeopardizing ongoing investigation or violating privacy laws. Challenges persist, such as inadequate training, outdated, outdated technology, and vulnerabilities to cyber attacks. As crimes and technology involve so much the methods for securing law enforcement records, strengthening cybersecurity frameworks, increasing personnel training, and upgrading technological capabilities are vital for staying ahead for threats. This conclusion, ensuring the security and protection of law enforcement records in the Philippines is the fundamental responsibility that safeguards both the justice system and the public trust. With stricter implementation of law and continued the adoption to technological advancement, the protection of sensitive information can be significantly enhanced. Um, ang seguridad at protection ng mga record sa mga agency na nagpapatupad ng batas sa Pilipinas ay napakahalaga upang mapanatili ang integridad ng hustisya at kaligtasan ng sensitibong impormasyon. Ang mga record na ito ay kinabibilangan ng mga case file, criminal record, personal file at investigative report na nangangailangan ng mahigpit na pag-iingat upang masiguro ang pagiging confidential, integridad at accessibility. Ang Philippines National Police bilang pangunahing ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas ay sumusunod sa mga policy sa ilalim ng Data Privacy Act of 2012, Republic Act number 10173. Ang batas na ito ay nag-uutos na proteksyonan ng personal at sensitibong impormasyon laban sa hindi authority pag sa pag-access, pagkalat at maling paggamit. Ang maayos na pangangasiwa sa mga record ay mahalaga upang mapanatili ang tiwala ng publiko at maiwasan ang anumang kompromiso sa operasyon at paglabag sa karapatan sa privacy. Dapat ding balansehin ang agency ang transparency at seguridad. Halimbawa, bagamat may karapatan ang publiko na magkaroon ng access sa isang record sa ilalim ng Freedom of Information Act Executive Order No. 2 Series of 2016, ang pag-access sa mga sensitibong record ay mahigpit na nire-regulate upang hindi maapektuhan ng mga investigasyon o palabag ang mga batas sa privacy. Sa kabila nito ay may mga hamon pa rin tulad ng kakulangan sa pagsasanay, luma at mabagal na technology ng, at mga banta sa cyber attacks. Habang nagbabago ang technology at uri ng krimen, kinakailangan mag-involve din ng mga pamamaraan ng pagprotekta sa mga record. Para sa ito nga yung conclusion, ang seguridad at proteksyon ng mga record sa law enforcement sa Pilipinas ay mahalagang tungkulin at pagprotekta sa sistema ng justice at tiwala ng publiko sa mas mahigpit na pagpapatupad ng mga batas at patuloy na pag-angkop ng technology na sa pagbabago, masisiguro ang mas maayos na proteksyon at sensitibong impormasyon.